Hey everybody, welcome back to another video of DIY project. So again, Shay from White Collar DIY. So for this week, I'm gonna do something that I've seen in the beginning of my DIY journey. So I've kept it aside for a while. Now it's time to really work on it. So it's a wall decoration made out of this plastic leaves here. We shall see. So what I'm going to need for this project is a frame mirror, but we are not going to use these mirrors for this time round. So what I'm going to do is I'll be taking it out and to keep it aside for some other projects in the future. So we'll be needing a couple of them depending on how big or how small you want your decoration to be. So next one are these plastic leaves here. I have in various shapes and sizes, which I'll be decorating as how I feel fit. Okay, next one is this hot glue gun with a couple of glue sticks here. And the last one is the gold spray paint here. So you can use any colors that you want for your house. Alright, so let's do it. The first step is to remove the mirror from the frame. Cut the tape cover before removing the stoppers. Be careful when handling the mirror as they have sharp edges. Once the paint has dried out, line up two frames in any position you want and glue them together. Wait for the glue to set. Arrange the leaves in any way you like and apply some hot glue on each stick. Also apply some glue on the leaf part to stick them to the frame. So these two are done as how you can see. So let's go straight with the review. Okay, so first of all, it didn't take too much time. I would say this is the least time consuming project that I've done so far. So it took me only 1 hour, close to 1 hour to complete this project. 56 minutes. Right, so I feel this is something that anyone can do. It's almost a quick fix for every home if you want to have this kind of wall decorations in your house. So half a star for the time. So for the cost, one of this costed me 25 ringgit. So for the cost, right, this 25 ringgit is only for the material cost. So if you find some of those sellers, they are selling it for a higher price, obviously because I didn't include any labor work or any labor hours charged in this project. So because it's for me. So the second reason why I didn't put any labor hour in my previous projects is because I do not intend to sell any of this, at least for now, right? So do not compare my price with the others that they are selling out there. Arts and crafts, they are always subjective. So if you agree with their price, then go ahead and buy it. Otherwise, if you want the same cost price, then you have to do it yourself. So I feel even on the cost, it doesn't do much of a damage. So for the cost, I'm gonna give it 1 star. So technicality, the easiest thing ever. I thought it's gonna be hard because I know for a fact that I don't have a florist skill to begin with, but it didn't take any. I mean, you just have to put them up as how you like it. So it totally depends on you. And one good thing about this is you can always be creative. So you get to choose what kind of leaves that you want, or even you can put up flowers, anything that your mind can think of to be put on this frame. So for technicality, 1 star. It's so easy. Right, on the satisfaction, I feel this one deserves a 5 star. So everything was easy on this one. So technicality is 1 star and cost is also 1 star. It's super cheap, and then also the time, it doesn't take too much time to complete this one, and yet it looks so beautiful on the wall. So yeah, that's my review for this project. I hope you share the same opinion as me, and if you do, I would really recommend you to try this one at home. If you enjoyed the process of me making this amazing wall decoration, don't forget to click like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. And then also, if you missed my last week's video, don't forget to click the link at the end of this video to check it out. So until then, ciao.